Here's a fun fact for you. For the starting price of one Rolls-Royce Cullinan, you could buy its biggest rival, the Bentley Bentayga, and still have well over $150,000 left in your pocket. That's enough to snag a high-end Range Rover just for running errands. This single reality begs the ultimate question in the super SUV world. Is the Cullinan really worth that kind of money? Or is the Bentayga all the ultra-luxury beast you could ever need? In one corner, weighing in at nearly 3 tons, we have the undisputed king of comfort, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. It's a rolling palace built on a century of quiet, aristocratic grace. Don't let the posh exterior fool you, though. It's powered by a monstrous 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 that puts out nearly 600 horsepower. The Bentley Bentayga. Born from a legacy of motorsport, it promises a thrilling mix of raw power and beautiful luxury. Under the hood, there's a potent 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 542 horsepower, ready to challenge the old guard. This isn't just about two SUVs. The Bentley Bentayga wins every single time. Even with less horsepower in this V8 version, it's quite a bit lighter and has a launch control system that just catapults it off the line. The Bentayga can crush a quarter mile in about 12.5 seconds, leaving the Cullinan in its dust at around 13 seconds, but honestly, calling the Cullinan slow completely misses the point. The V12 engine doesn't roar, it glides. The power is engineered to feel like one single seamless wave of torque that pushes you forward with absolutely zero drama. Rolls-Royce doesn't even give you a rev counter, they give you a power reserve meter. It's as if they're reminding you that yes, the power is always there, but making a scene about it is just bad manners. The moment you step inside, you're in a different world. Rolls-Royce actually calls its ride the magic carpet ride, and that's not an exaggeration. The air suspension reads the road ahead and erases any bumps, creating an almost eerie sense of silence and calm. The Bentley Bentayga's interior is no slouch either. It's a stunning masterpiece of leather, wood, and metal. Everything is beautifully crafted, but the philosophy here is different. The Bentley Bentayga is for the person who loves to drive. It's faster, more nimble, and gives you a much more engaging feeling behind the wheel. And when you remember that it delivers this amazing blend of performance and luxury for a significantly lower price, its value is just impossible to ignore. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan, on the other hand, is an exercise in pure, uncompromising opulence. It wins on sheer comfort, tranquility, and that incredible sense of occasion. And if you enjoyed this Battle of the Titans, make sure to subscribe for more showdowns between the world's greatest cars.